This summer we'd go down to Cancun, but no money makes that kind of hard to do. Forget the beach, I'd rather be here with you, playing croquet. Okay, maybe that's not true, but you make it easy, easy, easy to get away. Sit in the sun and drink beer all day, because it's easy, easy, easier anyway. Who needs Mexico? Baby, let's stay home. We'll put on bug spray and we'll lose our clothes. Put out the lawn chairs and turn on the hose. We'll play Jack Johnson, he's the new Don. Oh, or we'll go surfing, surfing.